Welcome to our YouTube video. Metal jewelry comes in a myriad of forms, styles, and materials. From traditional gold and silver to contemporary stainless steel and titanium, there's something for everyone's taste and preference. Metal jewelry has a long and storied history, dating back thousands of years. It has adorned the bodies of individuals across civilizations, serving as a symbol of status, beauty, and personal expression. From the ancient Egyptians and Greeks to the modern-day fashion industry, metal jewelry continues to captivate and inspire. Metal jewelry encompasses a wide range of materials, including precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum, as well as non-precious metals such as stainless steel, brass, copper, and titanium. Each metal possesses unique properties that contribute to the appeal and durability of the jewelry. Precious metals, such as gold and silver, have been prized for their rarity, luster, and resistance to corrosion. Gold jewelry, in particular, has been highly coveted throughout history. It is often alloyed with other metals to enhance its strength and durability while maintaining its inherent beauty. The purity of gold is measured in carats, with 24-karat gold being the purest form. Commonly used for jewelry are 18K, 14K, and 10K gold. Silver, another popular choice for jewelry, is known for its brilliant shine. It is malleable and can be crafted into intricate designs. Sterling silver, consisting of 92.5% silver and 7.5% other metals, is a commonly used alloy in silver jewelry. It provides strength and durability while preserving the aesthetic appeal of silver. Platinum, a dense and durable metal, has gained popularity in recent years for its modern and luxurious look. It is naturally white, hypoallergenic, and highly resistant to tarnish and wear. Platinum jewelry is often considered a symbol of prestige and is commonly used in engagement rings and wedding bands. Non-precious metals like stainless steel, brass, copper, and titanium offer alternative options for jewelry enthusiasts. Stainless steel, known for its strength and corrosion resistance, has gained popularity for its affordability and versatility. It is often used for modern and contemporary designs. Brass and copper, with their warm tones and malleability, allow for intricate detailing and unique patinas over time. Titanium, on the other hand, is a lightweight and hypoallergenic metal that is highly resistant to corrosion, making it popular for people with metal sensitivities. The creation of metal jewelry involves various techniques, including casting, forging, soldering, and stone setting. Skilled artisans and jewelers use these techniques to transform raw metal into wearable art. They employ tools such as hammers, anvils, torches, and specialized equipment to shape, solder, and polish the metal, bringing their creative visions to life. Metal jewelry can take many forms, including rings, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and brooches. These pieces can be adorned with gemstones, diamonds, pearls, or other materials to enhance their beauty and add a touch of color. Gemstones are often set into metal settings using prongs, bezels, or other techniques to securely hold them in place. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, metal jewelry holds symbolic meaning for many individuals. It can represent love, commitment, cultural heritage, religious beliefs, personal milestones, or simply act as a form of self-expression. Metal jewelry has the power to evoke emotions, tell stories, and create connections between the wearer and the piece itself. To maintain the beauty and longevity of metal jewelry, proper care is essential. Regular cleaning, storing in a safe and dry place, and avoiding contact with chemicals and harsh substances can help preserve its shine and prevent damage. Metal jewelry is not only limited to the use of precious metals and traditional designs. In recent years, there has been a surge in the popularity of alternative materials and contemporary styles. This includes the use of mixed metals, such as combining gold and silver or incorporating different colored alloys into a single piece. These combinations create visually striking contrasts and add a modern twist to traditional designs. Independent Jewelers has brought forth a wide range of unique and handcrafted metal jewelry. These artisans often employ unconventional materials and experimental techniques to create one-of-a-kind pieces. For example, recycled metals, such as repurposed silverware or salvaged industrial materials, are being transformed into stunning jewelry, giving new life to old objects. Metal jewelry is not only limited to solid forms but also includes techniques like wire wrapping and metal weaving. These methods involve manipulating thin wires of metal, such as sterling silver or gold-filled wire, into intricate patterns and designs. Wire-wrapped jewelry can showcase the elegance of minimalist designs or create elaborate and delicate filigree patterns. Enameling is another technique used in metal. Metal jewelry comes in a myriad of forms, styles, and materials. From traditional gold and silver to contemporary stainless steel and titanium, there's something for everyone's taste and preference. Moreover, the rise of artisanal and jewelry. It involves fusing powdered glass onto metal surfaces through high heat, resulting in a smooth and colorful finish. Enamel can be applied in various ways, such as cloisonné, where metal wires create compartments for the enamel, champleve, where recessed areas are filled with enamel, or pliqué-jour, where enamel is suspended between delicate metal wires. This technique allows for the creation of vibrant and detailed designs, adding a unique dimension to metal jewelry. Computer-aided design, CAD, and 3D printing have opened up new possibilities for jewelry design. Jewelers can now create intricate and complex pieces with precise detailing, using digital modeling software and cutting-edge 3D printers. This fusion of technology and craftsmanship has expanded the boundaries of metal jewelry, enabling the production of avant-garde and sculptural designs. Furthermore, metal jewelry has become a platform for sustainable and ethical practices. With increasing awareness of environmental and social issues, many jewelers are incorporating eco-friendly practices into their work. This includes using recycled metals, ethically sourced gemstones, and adopting environmentally conscious production processes. By choosing sustainable metal jewelry, individuals can enjoy beautiful pieces while minimizing their impact on the environment. Metal jewelry has also found its place in men's fashion. Men's jewelry has evolved beyond the traditional wedding bands and cufflinks, with a wide range of designs catering to diverse styles and preferences. Men's metal jewelry often features bold and masculine designs, incorporating elements such as textured surfaces, geometric shapes, and minimalist aesthetics. Materials like stainless steel, tungsten, and titanium are popular choices for men's jewelry due to their durability and contemporary appeal. In conclusion, metal jewelry is a dynamic and ever-evolving art form that offers endless possibilities for creativity and self-expression. From traditional craftsmanship to contemporary designs, metal jewelry continues to captivate and inspire with its versatility, symbolism, and aesthetic appeal. Whether it's a timeless gold necklace, a handcrafted silver ring, or an avant-garde mixed metal creation, metal jewelry holds the power to make a personal statement and adorn the wearer with beauty and meaning. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.